Okay, let's take a little meta ride on the racer side of Bradenton Motorsports Park. Small tire class currently on track. We are on the non-tower side. Have to do a lot of talking. Hopefully they got the music blaring. What we got here? Probably the 10.5, true 10.5 no time car. It looks like we got motorcycles, we got RVs, we got buses. We got a rerun coming up. A couple pro mod cars that sound like. Robin Robertson, another guy. So they did not get a time, so they're finally back around. There's Candyman Mobile. I'm not sure if I can get up through here. So, once again, the beautiful new, we'll just call it the Bradenton Tech Center. Let's ride through and check it out. Got some cars in here getting text. The Boxo USA Tech Center. We'll wait for this guy to get out of the way and then we'll scoot on through here. It's in this beautiful new facility. They're getting everybody teched in, ready to go. Just doing a video. I don't need to be teched in, I don't think. There's no I'm just doing a video showing people how great this place is. Got some trophies sitting over there. Got the staff, all the equipment they need for measuring all the devices. A couple cars rolled through, so I think we got enough. We've been very, very busy. Several hundred cars on the property. John Sears, Tech Director for the Winter Series, all classes. And we've got Pro Mods parked all the way down here on the end of the racetrack. Tommy DeApril and the boys. So I'll try to move my head as slow as possible. No guarantees. So down here in the ditch with my friends from DSP. We're just having a great time. Mark and Leanne, my neighbors. B-Rad, little B-Rad just moved in late yesterday next door. Team Pilot right there, and my buddy Pro Mod Ralph on the very end. One of our great sponsors there, the Chemical and Balance team, C2 Motorsports, with the beautiful Willis trying to make the show, not getting as much testing as they would have liked. That should have been the views from one side. There's the tower. One of our index classes are running hard. There you go, vendor alley back there, jet cars underway. Here we go. That's the end of this side. Alrighty, boys and girls, let's finish our American Pride Golf Car Services pit tour over on the side, on the Spectator side, tower side we'll call it. Where a majority of the renovations have taken place over the last 6 months or so. Instead of being a 1.5 lane road, it's 3 lanes. The fence has been moved over. Bathroom's been refurbed. Concession stand's been worked over a little bit. Seating's looking good. Lighting is exceptional. Sound system is very, very good. Trackside RV parking right there, right up against the wall. First come, first serve, I believe. Spectator VIP entrance back there near the beginning of the staging lanes. We got our main entrance up here on the past the 8th mile mark, I assume now. Cletus McFarland Freedom Factory over there on the other side. They're using that for some parking today. Christmas lights also be on display tonight at the Freedom Factory. All of our index racers, Super Pro, and other non-professional classes are pitted over here. This is another crosswalk entrance. Duty calls, porta potties pretty much spread out throughout the facility. They've been here once or twice a day cleaning these up. Got a really, really good, strong crowd of spectators today, enjoying some great drag racing. Pro Mod, True 10.5, Pro 10.5, and a bunch of other cool classes are making the show. We got the repurposed guard shack up here. We come into the facility and pay your fees and permits. we will stop right here and start over again. So once again, the crew did a great job of getting everybody in here Monday morning. Two lanes of traffic, expedited the process. There's a package depot down there where all the packages are secured until you can come and pick it up and have to show some ID to get it. So that's new and improved. Great things going on here. A lot of motorcycles here this weekend. Once again, we're on the tower side. There's all that big rig parking on the other side, parked all the way down to the finish line. It's over a quarter of a mile from the 8-mile finish line to the runoff down here. Sounds like we got some race cars coming down. Additional overflow racer and RV parking going on down here. That's a nice bus. Wow. That's a nice rig too. That's a nice rig. That's a nice rig. I can afford that rig. Another big one. Work out of both sides. Let's get Cletus McFarland Freedom Factory coming up here on our left. They're having their second annual Christmas light display, I believe it is. That'll open up at dusk. The place will be beautifully decorated. As you can see, a pit and RV parking all the way to the end of the facility. Not too many more rigs can come in. Safety crews down here on the scene ready to respond. Today has been incident free thus far. Once again, that is the entire tower side right here. Freedom Factory entrance for the Christmas light show. So here we go. I think we rode through here the other day, but we'll finish off heading back to our parking spot for the weekend. We're on the very top end of the racetrack on the professional racer side. RV parking, camping, pits, you name it, they got them going on. Troy Perez renting golf carts here. Tech Center's open. Nice oil facility over there on the other side. Boy, that golf cart's got to be fun to get off of there. What do you think? Wow, crazy. Hits all the way to the end of the racetracks. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this tour. We'll try to get it up before we can go. Pro Mod pairings are just coming out, so B-Rad, my neighbor there, loading up, probably heading out sometime. A lot of people loading up, they're done. Over half the cars in the event are gone, so let me go try to make a video for you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know the deal.